Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here at Avalanche. It's pulling back, but everything is pulling back right now. Bitcoin dominance is high. Bitcoin price is going down. Standard rinse and repeat when Bitcoin pulls back. So keep in mind, market's going to look a little red for the moment. And I did send out an update. Obviously, if you're part of my Twitter, you'll know this. With Bitcoin dominance increasing, you want to be careful trading alts today. It's really important to recognize that that pullback is going to absolutely hit some altcoins, especially those that are overextended. Excuse me. And Avalanche is moderately overextended here within the last 24 hours. So what we want to look at is a few key factors. Quickly to note, congrats to our community members here. Fantastic trades here with our RDNT 30% in one day, SNX 56% in one day, and Solana 3.5 trading days, 36%. Also the graph 81 in 10 days. So congrats on that. We're not having, we're waiting for confirmation for Avalanche, honestly. So we don't have any trades open there. That is one of our day trading pairs, though. We do have a day trading bot for Avalanche. So if you're curious about that, that is definitely a coin that we trade. But right now we have no open trades with Avalanche. And there's a reason why for that. Truth is we didn't get confirmation yesterday when we were looking at this. And, when I woke up this morning, it was kind of overextended. Now it's pulling back. I just much rather not short coins right now, and the truth is the price is pulling back for Bitcoin, but it's not gonna, the price of Bitcoin shouldn't come to the floor, right? So we're in pretty good shape here. Pending Bitcoin doesn't come down to the low 40,000 range, we should be in good shape. And we have that 44,000, 45,000 support for Bitcoin for the moment. So all that having been said, what does that mean here for Avalanche? Well, we got a lot of concentration of liquidation at about $44 even, as well as at $43.50. Okay, so again, some of the liquidation levels got swept, majority of them between 40 and 43, but right now, heavy concentration at about 43.70. Okay, so again, some shorts are in profit right now. Congrats on that if you are shorting. Let's go ahead and see if it's worth taking a long or a short at this point, and essentially just understand what's going on. Big picture. Divergence still here. Okay, so again, overall sentiment is, I wouldn't say bearish, but that does tell us that we are tentatively bearish because, again, we are below the 20-day SMA. As soon as I see the price come under the 20-day SMA on the daily, I like to kind of pay attention and be very careful with my trading. Also, to note, and this is something I think somebody mentioned in the comments, it is absolutely true, we're seeing somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern here. And traditionally, head and shoulder patterns break down when they're all finished. So we could very well see the price pull back as a possible reality. Okay, stochastic RSI is swinging up. We're still over 50 on the RSI too. So these are not like truly bearish signs, but being under the 20 kind of gives us the indication this downtrend could be starting. Okay, so just some things to kind of think about there. The sky isn't falling just yet. We got some supports in place right now. $40.50. That was a previous resistance here recently. We'll see if that holds. A lot of it is contingent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is retesting that 45K mark. So if we lose 45K, then it's safe to say we're going to lose $40.50 rather for Avalanche, right? Again, just some different things here, but a lot of support and resistance levels are based on Bitcoin's price movement and how strong it is. And right now we can kind of see, though, Avalanche is not inversely paired with Bitcoin. It's not going up when Bitcoin goes down. It's going down when Bitcoin goes down, like most coins right now. MACD is still converging, but losing that momentum. Stochastic RSI is swinging down. We're hitting 50 on the RSI right now. That's equal to that support level at $40.50. So all the more reason to hold this level here today. If we can hold $40.50 today, Bitcoin stabilizes, there's a decent chance we'll get a bouncing point right there. Okay, for right now, though, we got to recognize that the price action for Avalanche is still trending down, and we can presume the price may want to continue lower. Okay, we're below the 50-day SMA, but going to test the 20 here soon. So again, all the more reason why this level at $40.50 is pretty important. So to me, I think it's a little too early to take a trade in either direction, but at this point, let's go ahead and see if there's any confirmation of that. Taking a look quickly at the Ichimoku cloud, we can see we technically still have green lights to hold your long position open. If we get a bounce here, it could continue upwards. Again, that's strong emphasis on if. Conversion line is getting closer to the baseline. Lagging span is soon to intersect. So there's a lot of reasons why this window of opportunity could be closing and that we may need to consider shifting gears. And to clarify that, when I say taking a long position is not viable, it doesn't mean you instantly open a short. Please understand that. There's some folks that just have this like black and white mentality with trading. If it's not going up, it's going down. That's true. That's absolutely true. The difference is there's gray area and you need to wait for confirmation in either direction. You don't just take a short because it flips from long. So careful using that reverse button when you're trading. I just emphasize pumping the brakes a little bit when those things happen. Okay. All that being said, we're still in decent shape here for the moment with the support level here. So we got to see if $40.50 holds, because once again, it was a previous resistance level, likely turn support. We'll see here soon if that is the case. Okay, so that's the important level I'm going to be paying attention to myself. Another thing that's important too, of course, because we had a lot of my US Canadian members got hit with KYC recently. Be sure to check this out. Bitunix exchange, phenomenal exchange. Link down below if you register with my link. Healthy benefit rewards if you use them. You really just got to deposit and trade with them. It's pretty simple, but the truth is they're a phenomenal exchange. No KYC or VPN, but mainly they have trailing stop losses, multiple profit targets. We've also got some trading competitions coming up January 8th for a global competition and February for a community competition. Again, you have to use my link to register, but you'll benefit from that later. I can assure you that. Either way, that's what we have here so far today. What are your thoughts on Avalanche? Do you think it's going to keep going down or up? I think the overall sentiment is coming down. I'm just going to wait for confirmation before I take a short, because again, Bitcoin could continue to surge. This might just be one of those fake little pullbacks there to 45K. Never truly know. Patience will persevere. Or we persevere through patience. One of the two. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.